Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial explains how to construct a square. Now, if you want to construct a square, the first thing you need to do is to draw a horizontal line and label it A and B. Now, once you draw a horizontal line, the second step is for you to construct a perpendicular. If you want to watch a video on how to construct a perpendicular, please check the link in my description. So once you cut a semi-arc, you open at your convenience. You inscribe an arc. You stand at this end. You now inscribe another arc. So you will now join the lines together. Now, we are constructing a square with a length of 9 centimeters. So you will now open your pair of divider or your compass or your meter rule to 9 centimeters. So the next step is for you to open from this point to the origin. You cut an arc. You cut an arc. So you stand at this end with that same radius. You now cut an arc. So it is left for us now to join all the lines together to obtain our square. So this is a way to construct a square. Remember to subscribe, like, and don't forget to share if this video is helpful.